Hi guys! So for today's video is quite special because today is June 19 and today is my birthday. Pero I'm at work. I still gotta go to work. Pero mag-celebrate ako later on with my family. And I just want to take it with me as I get ready and start to kind of do my birthday makeup. I will try to share some new things that I like to do on this video. So I hope you enjoy. So, I love to prep my skin using itong Sun Glow by Fresh, yung kanilang Sun Mist ni May and ni Ray. And then, while waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna do my brows. And the current brow product na ginagamit ko is yung Unbelievable Brow from L'Oreal, and this is so good, you guys. This is very long lasting. Isa to sa mga eyebrow products na pwede talaga panghulasan, and it doesn't move once you put it on. Pero hindi ko siya ginagamit like yung parang full glam effect. I just use it like yung parang pang daily chuk chenes lang, alam mo yun. So I like to take, kasama to sa package when you buy it. So I like to take the thin brush and then magsa-stroke lang ako ng ganyan. Next thing I like to do, guys, is eyeshadow. Yes, mag-eyeshadow ako ngayon. It's an everyday makeup, but you know, sometimes I like to wear eyeshadow para maiba. Lalo na yung eyes lang natin ang nakikita usually, because we always wear a mask. And currently I've been loving this, you guys. This is from Maybelline. Meron silang liquid eyeshadow, a doe foot applicator. Mukha siyang liquid lipstick, pero it's an eyeshadow. This is the Sensational Effects eyeshadow, and I have the shade Spicy Chocolate, and it's in a matte formula. So I feeling ko meron sila nung shiny shimmering formula, but I got the matte. And what I like to do, this is so easy to use, you guys. I just like to put it all over. Tapos, hindi siya madaling mag-set. So, you have time to blend it on your eyes. You can use your fingers. Ganyan-ganyan. Oo. Pwede naman. Kaya lang kasi gusto ko ng precise application. So, I'm going to use a brush. And, alam mo kung maganda sa kanya, it's really long-lasting on the eyes. Lalo na kung maganda yung base ng eyeshadow mo. Lalo pa ako nag-eyeshadow, eyeshadow primer. Pang matagalan talaga siya. Hindi siya madaling maghulas and everything. And I really need that. I really need something na, alam mo yung pag nilagay mo, wala ka na alalahanin, wala ka na iisipin. So, I bought it, binili ko pala yun sa Zalora. I think it's around $299. I'll just flash the price somewhere down the road. Charing. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan lang. Sorry kung nag-iiba-iba yung lighting because yung araw is lumalabas, nawawala, lumalabas, nawawala. And then yung excess, I like to do this. I still like to do this. Ayun na. No, ganda. So, next step is I'm going to put an eyeliner. Pero hindi na ako masyadong like yung parang super plakadong eyeliner. Hinilalagyan ko na talaga yung pinakadulo dito. Parang tungkil, parang ganon. And then, inaasa ko na lahat sa mascara because I'm using a really, really nice mascara that I'm gonna show you later. Guys, the mascara I'm currently obsessed with is from Maybelline. Ito yung kanilang Falsies Lash Lift. It's waterproof and it's gonna give you volume. Sort kind of length then, but not so much on the length, but more on the volume, which I really, really need right now. So this is what it looks like. At ito, isang tip lang ng ganon, isang ganon lang. Pwede na on your entire eyes. Pero ang ginagawa ko kasi to achieve yung full volume, full potential. Alam mo yung 100 strokes? I don't know. Hindi naman 100. Pero like, inuubos ko talaga yung laman ng isang dip sa ang tawag dito, pilik mata ko. Hanggang sa ma-achieve ko na yung volume na bechiwaw ko. Ito muna yung before. Ayan. Look at that. Kaya lang parang finisher ko na ata dun sa iba ko pang videos ito. I don't know. May ginawa ako yung isa pa eh. Pinakita ko rin to eh. I think it's the FS Cosmetics na I'm about to upload. Hindi ko alam ano unahin ko. FS Cosmetics or this one. But today's my birthday. I don't know. Here you go. Ayan o. Kita niyo yung difference. So I'm just gonna lagyan ko din yung bottom lashes ko because gusto ko talagang boom yung aking eyes today. Because it's my birthday. Oh, ha? Nakakaloka po. Now for the blush, I am currently obsessed. Like, obsessed with Squad Cosmetics. Ano ba tawag dito? Mousse Cream. And I have the shade Jolly. So, pinky-pinky lang siya. And this is a really good product. This is a really nice product, you guys. So it's very creamy. I do believe this is a multi-use product. So what I do is nilagay ko siya dyan muna. I do believe it's a multi-use product. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks, and on your eyes. I tried, and then gumagamit pala ako ng blush brush, parang stiffling brush. So, ayan. And then, gradual kong ginaganyan. I find in using a stippling brush will give you a more better looking finish, more natural finish than using yung antaw dito, yung sponge. Tsaka hindi siya madali mag-set, so you have time to blend it. And then you guys, ang ganda niya as a blush. It's gonna stay on your cheeks for a long time. What I like to do is set my face and Skin Potion's Glow Dust forever never favorite setting powder because it is so lightweight. Tapos hindi siya, alam mo yung super matte. It gives me a natural finish talaga. It's setting my face without making my face look dry and alam mo yun, flat. Nag-hi ka naman.
So much. Tao na ako, nakapag-break ka.
For contour, I'm currently obsessing with. Sira na siya. because I'm obsessed with it. This is from Ara Colors. Yung pa din, yung kanilang dual pan. Yung kanilang Shade and Glow Duo. I have the shade Hollywood. Hindi ko masyadong ginagamit yung highlighter because, I don't know, sakto lang siya for me. Pero etong pang contour red, eto talaga, Diyos ko, ayan no, tinan mo yung difference, oo. Yan talaga yung super duper gamit na gamit sa akin. I always use it every day since I got it. Well, almost every day. But yeah, every day. Hi, Warly. Say hi to my vlogable because it's my birthday today.
Hindi pa ako naliligo.
Okay, go. Maligo ka na. Hindi niyo nagtatanong guys, dito sa ABS-CBN, meron mga stay-in employees because of the pandemic, because of the lockdown, and isa si Warly sa mga chosen few. Next thing I do is I take a brush and then yun yung ginagamit ko pang contour na nosicles. Next highlighter I'm currently obsessed with, sira na rin siya, is from Wet n Wild. This is yung kanilang Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And I don't usually do this, but since it's my birthday today, I'm going to contour my lips to achieve that really, really nice pout. And the current lippy I'm obsessed with nowadays is from KJM Cosmetics. So I did a wear test on this. I think I'm gonna link the video down below. And then they sent me some more of their lip paint. I'm gonna show all the shades sa aking lip haul video. I'm gonna make one, so watch out for it. Alam ko, ilang beses ko na sinabi yun, but I will do it. Dilim talaga. I'm gonna open. Yan. Better. So I'm just gonna overline a little bit. Di ba? Mukha tayo nagpa-inject ng labi. Alright guys, so we are done with my birthday makeup for today. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. And sana kahit paano, I was able to give you some new products that you have probably, maybe, hopefully, you haven't heard before or you haven't seen before. I was able to give you some tips and whatnot. At gaya na lagi kong sinasabi, if you have any video request, i-comment mo lang yan sa baba and I will try to do it for you. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!